soft start means we'll just say hi, hello, how are you, where are you from, where am I from, and then we go with a solid start.
You can, if you want to come closer, you can. Feel free to do so.
Hi, Dhruv. So we are going to do 3 dishes today.
So how they are different?
Like it's like an African, European, an American, and Indian. We all are humans. We have different colors. Same as quinoa. Quinoa has more than 10-12 colors, and it's almost 5,000 to 7,000 years old. But origination, I mean, people got to understand the benefits of quinoa just few years back. Over here, chickpea, roasted cauliflower, sun-dried tomato, and sautéed white onion. So chickpea, very simple. You just soak the chickpea overnight. You boil it. Cauliflower, you cut them into small florets, you toss it with your salt, pepper, oil. So, okay, again a super thing, stylish thing, olive oil, please use it. Roasted onion, same thing, and sun-dried tomato. So the mixed lettuce goes in, and just give it a toss. Just give it a toss. Tamari soya vinaigrette. So you can wear a gloves if you want, but we chef, we always keep our hands clean. So you're always safe to have food in 5-star hotels. We have wedges. We have wedges of roasted pumpkin. You take pumpkin, you peel them, you massage it with salt, pepper, oil. Masala popcorn that we use as garnish. Again, a generous amount depending on you, how much you need. Butter, lemon juice, chopped garlic. Onion rings, yeah.
Olive, green olive.
But still, okay, we come to the last dish. So that's again a cheesecake. Lotus biscoff is. So which looks something like this.
विदेशी पार्ले जी है।
अरे वाह, आपने मुंह का बात ले लिया मैडम। विदेशी पार्ले जी, I don't find any difference. You know that the polygamist media has made this. I think it's a new and interesting term for you. That is a sabayon. What would a sabayon be? S-A-B-A-Y-O-N, sabayon. But when I tell you, oh, it's very simple. So it's a mixture of egg and sugar. When you make it, you cook it in a double boiler so that because egg, if you directly cook it on fire, it might become like a scrambled egg or an anda burji. That's why you use a water bath. So Dhruv, we have to same direction.
Yeah.
You can regular whipped cream. So these are jelly leaves. These are not the granules which we usually use. We put in some gelatin, butter, and Biscoff biscuit. Consistency is a nice consistency.
I'm not as charming as this guy, but I'll try. But to start with, I was expecting most of them to be participating to be women here, but it's great to Gaurav, and we thought it's time that we shared our skill and knowledge about it. Thank you, Chef.
Good job.